Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch, Monday, March 10, 2025. It appears that quite possibly an extremely large event happened again on the backside of the sun. This is the GO satellite, so I'm going to show you a few clips. And I'll go back and I'll try and pause this for you. Play it one more time. This happened at approximately 11 hours ago. Let's take it back. Go to another satellite. This one here, so approximately 0342 UTC. We'll play this one first. Coming up. There you go. Extremely large, extremely powerful, it would appear. One more time. You think that's still cell lurking behind? Maybe coming up from the bottom? Time will tell.